Keblai pi ki perlok baro te ha kene ka video nga kwa ban wara si pi ya ki khubor lai kam ka Office Directorate General Border Security Force BSF ka bala pelai ha ka khat khandai terik jo banai Agos ar pusan por RBJ khatsan PM Janmit lengba ka website hindustantimes.com ka Border Security Force BSF ka khot application yaki eligible candidate na kabanta ki post head constable ki post ki long khatways pa arpway tali kite haswa bangan batai katukat ni na ka detail ngakwa ban kadaw hangni banyo ya kate ka notification detail lej ha ka website rectt.bsf.gov.in go tene scroll sajrong ta klik na kani scroll sajrong klik nang ne ban download ya ka notification detail ta klik na to download te endala de download klik na ka notification the connect notification kalami ne advertisement for direct and departmental recruitment for the post of head radio machine in BSF communication set up 2025 connect office Directorate General Border Security Force ka khot online application ya ki candidate balong eligible male but female ki post ken long khatways pa arpwetli te ka online application kan sedang nadu ka arpusoterik jong banai Agos arajar pusan bat kan kut adu arpulai terik banai September banai bakandai arajar arpusan ka pay skill na kabanta kani ka post plus bat ka allowances kan long arpusan hajar sanspa adu prapwe hajar sispa sipanai ki post ki long head constable of radio operator but head constable of radio machine hangne nga supuli tang kani kan sai ten rei sa download ya kani ka notification detail na ka mobile phone ko jong ka sapuli ya ki detail bro khai dengan sapuli kani kan sa jang ne ka recruitment process kan long ka first phase PST and PET nang ta ka second phase computer based test CBT nang ta ka third phase kadai ka document verification ka preparation for the final result kan long jong ka head constable radio operator total mark obtained in the computer based test are spa mark plus dictation test san mark out of total hours percent per mark subject to qualifying in the paragraph reading test. Nanta jongka head constable radio machine total mark obtained in the computer based test out of 200 mark. Ka video ruka khamjrong download bat sapuli detail hi deladi khnang ba pin lab bat pin tipsai ngan subatayang ne ya ka eligibility condition academic qualification na kabanta jongka head constable radio operator depan pass ya ka class 12 standard or equivalent with physics chemistry and mathematics for recognized board or university in institution as a regular student with aggregate 60% mark in physics chemistry and math subject or matriculation or equivalent for recognized board and 2 years industrial training institute certificate ITI in radio and television or electronic engineering or computer operator and programming assistant or data preparation and computer software or general electronic engineering or data entry operator from a recognized institute. Yang ta kababi jong ka head constable radio machine pass in intermediate or 12 standard or equivalent with physics, chemistry and mathematics from recognized board or university or institution as a regular student with aggregate 60% mark in physics, chemistry and mathematics subject kaju kanero. Lane matriculation or equivalent from recognized board or institute and 2 years industrial training institute certificate ITI in radio and television or general electronic or computer operator and programming assistant or data preparation and computer software or electrician or filter or information technology and electronic system maintenance or communication equipment maintenance or computer hardware or network technician or mechatronic or data entry operator from a recognized institute. Kaju kanero. Ka age limit kan long. You are category not below karpras nem. Umday ban hapo ka karpras nem hadu arusan nem. As close date of online application. OBC not below 18 years. Kaju kanero umday ban hapo karpra kane kalong hadu arupras nem joko OBC. Nang tajong ka SC/ST hadu lipos nem. Nang taka age relaxation permission beyond upper age limit. Schedule caste lane schedule tribe sans nem. Other backward class lies nem. The physical standard for both the posts are as under the particular. The height na kabanta jong kishan rang 6.4 centimeters. The jong kikan tay pada 6.1 centimeters. Te ha kabaya te ka height jong kishan rang bat kan tay kidon ki relax. Hala ke jong ki kategori te sapuli na kan notification namar pa kala jong palat ngam la ban puli. Baro berkomjuru ka chess jong ki shanrang ki don hala ka jong ki relax te nam ta jong ki thai pat klam ka daw ne na kam ta ka chess te ngan supuli tang khani khan sai ka tu ka ne bar puli baro khai kala jong than na kam ta jong ka physical efficiency test PET na kam ta jong ki shanrang kamud ba 1.6 kilometer race hakan minute shiteng. The long jump cutaway feet kisah ban leh hadu license nanta jong ki female pade pras pa meter race 100 minute nanta khandai feet long jump sha hadu license atam nanta live feet high jump sha license atam kanero second phase pade computer based test CBT written examination for both post HCRO and RM computer-based test CBT. Aku beda bekas syllabus ke hang ni la kadau fisik ki question kin long sopo jangka fisik sopo ki mak prapo nang ta jangka mathematics question kan wan arpo ki mak kan long sopo nang ta jangka chemistry question 1 arpo kimakin long sopo nanta jongka English and GK arpo kimakin long sopo baro total question sispa but kimak padai kilong arspa nang tarimak 10 plus 2 intermediate of CBSE or State Board of Education or current affair history geography and general science na kapanta ki detail marban shibatai brokoi yang ni kala jerong palat kumbangala kadau menesa download ya ka notification detail na kate ke website ke pangala kadau mene syakmat bangan sabu ke website yang ni hapo jong kene video bapin yo ban download ya ka detail hak bede bat kene ka post tangkum ta perlok play shibon